Here's a 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.